Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 29. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type task manager, and once you're here just turn off all the applications that you don't need, and then go to startup and turn off applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC. Right click and disable it, and that's it. After that, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open services and then scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on it, properties, make it automatic, then click apply and OK. If you find here start, just start it, and if you can't find it, just click restart. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.